Hi there and welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll go through 20 questions that are often asked in React interviews. Each answer is explained in simple way, so even if you're just starting out, you'll be able to follow along. 1. What is React? React is a tool built with JavaScript. It helps create parts of websites and apps that people use and see. 2. Why do developers choose React? React makes building websites quicker and simpler. It also lets you reuse code, which saves time. 3. What is a React component? A component is a small piece of a web page, like a button or a box. React uses many components to build full pages. 4. What is JSX? JSX lets you write HTML inside JavaScript. It makes React code easier to write and understand. 5. What's the difference between props and state? Props are data passed from one part of the app to another. State is data that belongs to one part and can change. 6. What is useState used for? useState helps you create and update data inside a component. It's useful for things like counters and forms. 7. What does useEffect do? useEffect runs code when something happens, like when the page loads or when data changes. 8. What is the virtual DOM? The virtual DOM is a copy of the real web page. React uses it to find changes and update only the parts that need it. 9. What does one-way data flow mean? In React, data moves from parent to child components. This makes it easier to manage and fix problems. 10. What is a controlled component? A controlled component is a form element, like an input box, that gets its value from React state. 11. What is an uncontrolled component? An uncontrolled component keeps its own value and doesn't use React state. 12. What are hooks in React? Hooks are tools that let you use React features in simple function components. 13. What is React Router? React Router helps you create different pages in your app and move between them. 14. What is Redux used for? Redux helps manage data in big apps. It keeps all the data in one place so it's easier to control. 15. What is a higher order component, HOC? An HOC is a function that adds extra features to a component and returns a new one. 16. What is server-side rendering, SSR? SSR means the server builds the page before sending it to the browser. This helps with speed and search engines. 17. What is client-side rendering, CSR? CSR means the browser builds the page after it loads. It may be slower at first but faster later. 18. What are lifecycle methods? Lifecycle methods are steps in a component's life, like when it starts, updates, or ends. They help control what happens at each step. 19. How does React handle events? React uses functions like onClick to run code when users do things like click or type. 20. How do you start a React project? You can use a tool called Create React App to quickly set up a new React project. Thanks for watching. I hope these questions and answers helped you understand React better. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner-friendly coding content. See you in the next video.